The Harting har-modular series offers customization options without lengthy lead times or development costs. A modular concept based on the time-tested and reliable DIN 41612 connector family allows users to develop custom connectors from off-the-shelf components. This way, customization is achieved without the typical barriers of long lead times and development costs. The Harting har-modular is now UL approved. The power and signal modules come in angled and straight male connectors as well as straight females with current ratings up to 40 amps and 50 ohm and 75 ohm contacts. The connectors are designed for through-hole reflow soldering with a comparative tracking index greater than 600, 500 mating cycles, and a temperature rating from -55 to 125 degrees Celsius.